How to add voiceover in Clipchamp. Want to speak directly to your audience? Let's add voiceover in Clipchamp, quick and easy. On the left toolbar, click Record and Create. Then hit Audio. A little mic box will pop up. Make sure your mic's working. Clipchamp will let you pick it if needed. Click the big red record button and start talking. When you are done, hit stop and boom, your voice is recorded.
Hello, welcome to this video.
You can listen back, and if you like it, click Save to Media. Your voiceover will appear in your media. Just drag it onto the timeline under your video. Trim or move it to sync your visual. Adjust the volume if needed, maybe lower your background music a bit, and you are ready to go. Hit export, and now your voice is part of the story. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fast tutorials.